Hi guys, today we're going to be unpacking and putting together Whitmor Baker's rack. Uh, this rack's sold on Amazon for about $90, and I bought it when it was on sale. I think it was like 70 or so. Overall, I find this rack to be not the best, but pretty good quality. It was pretty easy to put together. Manual was easy to understand and easy to read. Um, Assembly time approximately 30 minutes, maybe 40. No special tools needed. You just basically need like a rubber hammer, and that's it. Um, so let's get to it, and I hope you like this video. Thank you. Okay, first thing we gotta do is find a post marked F and G. There would be two of them G and two of them F's. And then we gotta snap on plastic sleeves on the bottom. They all have to be at the same location, and make sure the arrows points up on them. Okay, so the next step is to get one of these shelves and slide this post into this shelf. Make sure that the two posts that have holes in them are on the same side. Okay. Now it started to look like something. Okay, so next step is to put 4 more of these sleeves and make sure they're all at the same height. And once again, the arrows on these plastic sleeves need to be pointing upwards. Okay, so now we're ready to put one more shell. You can use the rubber hammer and set them in place. Next step is we're gonna put 4 more plastic sleeves on the very top. So we'll give a little bit, like right here. No, right here. We're ready for one more shelf. Okay, next step is we're going to install post extensions which go on the back side of the baker's rack. And they are threaded, so you can just screw them in, and that will be it for the main construction. Okay, so that is it. Next step, we gotta put this thing on there. This is the piece that's holding hooks for pots and pans. Okay, next step, we're gonna put two more of these plastic sleeves, just like that. Make sure it's on the same distance on both sides. Okay. This bracket that holds hooks goes next. And then finally we're gonna put two more plastic sleeves that's gonna hold our final shell from the top. Now we can go ahead and hang the hooks. And finally, we can put this nice old wood butcher block type of countertop. There we go. This is it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.